my counterpart, and the emotionless marchers will chant the phrase, this line's the only way. And then I start down the sand, my eyes are focused on the end of land, but again the voice inside my head says follow me instead. Follow me instead. Follow me. Follow me instead. 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 Take me up, seal the door. I don't wanna march here anymore.
The train came together so
Realize
nicely, so
that
quickly.
this line is dead.
Here it is on
So I'll follow you instead.
version
So
14.
then you put me back in my
Makes like an
place.
S curve
So I
right
might
here.
start another day.
Comes
And once
around.
again, I will be. in
It's
a
working
march
pretty good.
to
I don't know if it works in
sea.
every scenario, but it's going pretty good. And then I left off right here. So that's pretty good. Looking at the view from the bottom, look at that. That is so cool. It just adds a whole nother level to the arcology. So appropriate. They're similar to gondolas, but faster, I suppose. I love it, though. How great is this?